Start with a slip knot. And chain 100, or else you can start off with any even number of chains. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next on, one single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, and in the next stitch make a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. Chain 1, skip 1, one single crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, one single crochet in the next stitch. This is the last stitch. One single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round. Now this round will be working only into this chain 1 spaces. Make 2 single crochets into each of the chain 1 spaces. This is the first single crochet and this is the first chain 1 space. Make 2 single crochets over here. Skip the next stitch and this is the next chain 1 space. 2 single crochets. Continue with the stitches. 2 single crochets into each of the chain 1 spaces. This is how it will look. Make the last set of stitches. At the end, you'll have one stitch left. Make one single crochet over here. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating the last 2 rounds until you reach the size which you need. One single crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, skip the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, this is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.